Yeah, healthy for real, flavor with deal, from here to the world. MekWell, yeah, MekWell.
Bless up everyone, I'm Chef Jermaine from Jerry's Jerk Joint, your source for bold Jamaican flavor, cultural fusion and wellness through food. I'm also the founder of MekWell, a movement and brand around natural seasoning, traditional remedies and food. Education that respects our roots while moving forward. And this spice you can find it on Amazon, US and Canada. I'll leave the links in the description. Alright, now time for some disclaimer. This video is for educational and cultural purposes only. I am not a doctor or herbalist, just a passionate chef who loves sharing knowledge on how herbs and food can support a better lifestyle. See? If you have any serious health conditions, allergies, or find that you're on medication, please consult your doctor or licensed healthcare provider before using any herb I mention in this video. All right. Now, for all of those persons who have their masters and doctorate in English, about my pronunciation, you might hear these herbs pronounced differently where you're from. I'll be using Caribbean style or more so my Jamaican style. Yeah. So, in most cases, it's the same thing. So don't worry, we're talking about the same plant and they have the same power. Okay? Now, we'll also be using some pictures to depict what we're talking about so that you can relate to it in a graphical sense. Right? Now, top herbs and their powerful phytochemicals. Let's explore 7 amazing herbs, their unique phytochemicals, health benefits, how to use them in your kitchen, and what to look out for. Let's get into it. Number 1, turmeric. What are the pros and cons? Everything we're going to mention today have pros and cons. One of the pros, it's a natural anti-inflammatory. Antioxidant, supports joint and brain health. What are some of the cons? Poor absorption on its own. Stains easily, may cause stomach upset. What are some of the best ways to use it? Add to curries, golden milk, smoothies, always with black pepper. So use it with black pepper and fat for absorption. The fat can be, your oil, your butter, things like those. Coconut oil. Best combination, ginger, black pepper, coconut oil, cinnamon. Watch out for these things. It may thin blood. Interact with meds like blood thinners. Warnings. Don't overuse if pregnant or before surgery. So if you're a male, yeah, this not apply to you in terms of pregnancy, but if you got tech surgery, like if you have surgery, yeah, be careful, don't use it. Garlic, number 2. Pros, antibacterial, heart, healthy, immune booster. Cons, strong smell, can cause gas. The raw form of it is very harsh, it's pungent, it's strong. How to use? Crush and rest for 10 minutes before cooking to activate allicin. Some of the best combination: olive oil, lemon, parsley, and onion. Watch out for these things, such as if you have an allergic reaction, stomach irritation. Warnings: avoid overuse with blood thinners. Alright? So that's just a common thing about herbs. Just be careful. Don't overuse it. See? Yeah, man. So, third up, ginger. Number 3, ginger. Ginger. Pros: helps with nausea, supports digestion, reduces inflammation. Cons: may cause gas, high doses thin the blood. How to use: grate into tea, sauces, smoothies. Best combination: lemon, turmeric, honey, cinnamon. Watch out for heartburn or loose stool if you overuse it. Run your belly. Warnings: consult your doctor if you have gallstone or taking medication. In other words, you're on meds. Yeah. Number 4, rosemary. Rosemary. Pros: boost memory. It's natural as an antimicrobial agent from nature. Supports brain health. The brain's health. Cons: strong flavor. Oil can be toxic if misused. Here one, yeah? How to use: add to roasted meats, bread, oil. The flavor is amazing. Best combination: garlic, lemon, thyme, olive oil. A note: watch out if you have allergy symptoms. High blood pressure, watch out. Warnings: avoid large doses during pregnancies. So ladies, if you carry the belly, pregnancy, you have the baby in there kicking, watch out. Number 5, thyme. Great for coughs and colds, immune support. What are some of the cons? Can upset the stomach. The oil is very potent. How to use it? Brew as tea, use in stews, marinades. Yes. Best combination: lemon, garlic, rosemary, honey. Let me say that again. Lemon, garlic, rosemary, honey. That's the best combination. Watch out for skin irritation from thyme oil. What I'm saying, it is strong topically. On your skin, on top of your skin. Warnings: avoid thyme oil, whether undiluted or not, during pregnancy. Number 6, basil. Basil. Whichever way you pronounce it. Reduces stress. Antioxidant. Yes, it's natural as an antioxidant. Supports liver health. Cons: fresh form spoils quickly. Essential oil is strong. How to use? Add fresh to pasta, salads, or make a pesto. Best combination: tomato, olive oil, garlic, balsamic vinegar. Watch out for allergies, especially to essential oils. Warning: it may interact with blood thinners. Alright? So if you're taking blood thinners, watch out your usage of that. Number 7, oregano. 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 Pros and cons. Oregano, however you want to pronounce it. It's antiviral, antibacterial, and great for digestion. Cons: bitter when overused, oil can irritate. How to use it? Most people use it dried in sauces or fresh in marinades. Best combination: tomato, basil, garlic, chili flakes. Watch out for skin sensitivity, allergic reactions. Warnings: avoid large doses of oil during pregnancy. Now, for the finale, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, these herbs aren't just seasonings. They're gifts from Mother Nature. Whether you're spicing up your kitchen or supporting your health naturally, do it wisely, do it consciously. Remember that. Ladies and gentlemen, drop a comment and let me know what herbs you use the most. Or if you want me to do a full cooking video using these herbs, let's build knowledge, flavor, and wellness together. Yes, this is Chef Jerry, yours truly. And for those who want to try the herb, the link is in the description. Share, follow, subscribe, follow. We're out.
Salt free, blend the killing alive. The taste make your dance like a provides. Steam up the plate, health on my mind. Even grandma said the taste them kind. No pressure for me, had no sugar fi spike. Jamaican roots with a modern life. Check. MekWell bring the fire. Yeah. Raise the level higher. Smile. When the flavor hit, style. Every nation legit. We healthy and hot. MekWell one top. Flavor in the pot, seasoning non-stop. From the pork to the veggie to the jerk chicken. Yeah. Oh, MekWell for the people, MekWell for the vibe. Natural and clean, we say live the life. Feather meat or cream, we say right the way. MekWell make you strong from grill to grave. MekWell keep the tea to the jerk chicken. MekWell for the pump from grill to grave. MekWell for the strong. Yeah. From cradle to grave.